I'm going to show you something that genuinely made me stop and rethink how to build Shopify stores. We're talking about going from a blank screen to building an entire Shopify store ready to sell. And I'm going to be doing that in under 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Here's the play. I'm going to find a winning product. I'm going to drop the link to this winning product in the AI store builder, hit one button, and it generates me the entire store. Product page, store layout, copy, everything complete, done for you. And we're going to be using the same tool to create high quality product images that actually look legit. And to make things even better, I'm going to show you how to increase your average order value. And that's going to be by creating a bundle offer. Now look, I've tried all these AI store builders. And if I'm being honest with you, most of them are garbage. They spit out something that looks like a template from 2015 and call it a day. And I never actually used any of them because none of them really looked good and trustworthy for the customers. But this one, it's different. It doesn't just build a good looking store. It builds a store that's ready to convert and make sales. At the time I'm recording this, Atlas has already generated users over $306 million in revenue. That is absolutely insane. And to be honest, barely anybody is talking about this. And that's the window. That's exactly where you want to be. It's genuinely never been easier to build a Shopify store. First thing you're going to need before we get into anything is you need to open a Shopify account. There's going to be a link in the description for Shopify for $1 for the next 3 months. Now open up your store. Once you've opened it, then we're going to get straight into Atlas. So let me get onto my computer here and we'll go from there. So now once you open your entire Shopify store, you're going to get to this page. This is the entire dashboard and everything. And when we're on this page, what you want to do, using the link in the description, get the Atlas link, simply copy and paste it, and we'll get into it. Now, once we've copied and pasted that link, we're going to be on this. It's the Atlas AI Store and Page Builder. As you can see, these are the AI pages you're going to be building with the AI Store Builder. So now all we're going to do is click install. Then we're just going to install it, and now we have it installed into our Shopify store. So all I did was went to AliExpress, search for the product that we're going to be selling, and then now all I'm doing is copy and pasting the link. Then I'm going to click add here. Now all I'm going to do, confirm product. Then let's go on to the next step. So I'm going to let Atlas decide for me. So build AI store. It says importing product data, AI conducting market research, AI writing sales copy, AI creating store theme, finalizing your store. Okay, so this will just take a second. Once it's done, I'll get back here. So now this has loaded in. So as you can see, these colors do not go with the store. So all I'm going to do here is theme colors, change, and then you can kind of pick which one goes best with your product. So typically what I do is something like red and yellow, kind of just to match the product image there. So we'll go through all of these and just see what looks better. And every time you change the theme colors, it will literally change for you, which is pretty nice. But you have the entire template there for you. So let's go luxury. Maybe this will look a little better. So this already looks a lot better. So I think we'll just go with the luxury one. Just check out this template. It looks absolutely phenomenal. You have a good product name, benefits of the product. You have a testimonial from your customers, FAQs, like a quick FAQ you can access. Then some information, image with text. And then you got to as seen on. Then some more information about the product. So obviously we're going to remove some stuff from here because we don't want too much information. Benefits you'll love, okay? And I also like this a lot. It's like your brand versus others. It's really important. Then obviously customer testimonials, super important. Then some more information about the product, FAQs, and then reach out anytime. So obviously I'm going to go through this, edit a lot of this stuff out because we want to make it as simple and clean as possible. But if you do want to go edit any of these things like product information, you know, the benefits, you can go ahead and change those. But for the sake of this video, and because I'm trying to build this in under 5 minutes, I'm just going to go simply here and just use the copywriting they have, but I'm going to look through everything to make sure that it's actually perfect. Now, whenever I'm doing this, I want to make the store even better. So I'm going to go ahead and play around with the sections to make it even better than it already is. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the settings here, theme settings, and obviously I'm going to build my logo, but before I go ahead and make the logo, I'm going to change the typography. So I'm going to do Montserrat. Okay, let's just do Montserrat. Let's do bold. Okay, and then Montserrat regular. Awesome. Save that. Now what I also like to do, buttons, turn on corner radius. Variant pills, okay, perfect. Corner radius on. Media, turn on corner radius. This will just look a little more branded. And then quickly I'm going to go create my logo on Canva and then simply just add it here. So there you have it. We added our logo here. We can make it a little bit bigger if we want. Alrighty. Then what I'm also going to do, I'm going to go back to sections here. And then I actually want my logo to be centered. So I'm going to go here, middle center. Okay, save that. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play around with the settings. create the entire template, and show you exactly what it should look like. So because I do want the color code to flow throughout the entire website, what I'm going to do is all the black here, I'm going to change it to red. Just because I want it to match the product image and the logo. But this is super simple and easy to do. All you're going to do is settings, colors, and then change all the black for just scheme 1 and scheme 2 to the red color. So all I did was just change up the template a little bit, move things around, change the colors, and look at this. Looks great. Super simple and easy. Literally took me a couple of minutes, and now we've got this great homepage. Now the next step is to set up the entire product page. So we're just going to go simply here, homepage, click products, and then we're going to go to the product page. So as you can see here, we're going to have to change this up as well, but it's super simple, easy. And once we finish this, the next thing is to do the product images. So as you can see, we've set up the entire template. It looks absolutely amazing. The only thing we have to do really is just add reviews. So review here, and then as well, we need 4 reviews here. So I'm going to do that. Now, once that's done, the next step is to actually make the product images. So let's go ahead and create those product images on Atlas AI. Okay, so what we did here is we're generating the logo right now. So I put the brand name, pick the icon style, theme, and then we're going to see what we get here. So it's just generating me a logo for the brand. So basically here are the results we got. It's not something that I really want. So I'm going to write, this is a skincare brand, Korean skincare. Okay, let's do something more minimal. Let's do typography. Okay, and then let's generate. And then generate brand logo. Oh, and I also want to use the color code I have. So let me get that color code. So what I did here is I made sure that my color code was given. So I just want to show you how easy this is. Yes, I did make my own logo, but I want to show you how easy it is to make your own logo with Atlas. So you can see here we're generating the logo right now. All I did is put the brand name, icon style, and then I put logo style, theme, brand name, and then additional information. So I just wrote this is skincare brand, Korean skincare. Please use this color code. And then see it's using the color code and generating me the perfect image. I actually like this one a lot. So let's just go with this one. So we'll do save selected. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we are going to go back here. Then we're going to go product photos. Okay. Now we're going to pick our product. There we go. And then let's just pick these 4 images. These look like the best ones. Advanced. We'll do beauty and personal care. All right. So this is for females. Would you like to place your logo? Yes, of course. And then we're going to pick our logo here. All right. Now, style controls. Choose environment, background, lighting, and the mood. We can do like bathroom. Okay. Clean, minimal, yes, I think that looks good. Studio, high key light, okay, good. Okay, let's just see what we get. So you can just play with the prompts till you get like the perfect images for your product. So let's see what type of images we get. All right, so as you can see, take this photo in. Look how great this looks. So now we save the image, and now we have the image saved, so we can add that to our product images. This looks absolutely insane. Now what I can do for the next one is maybe like an infographic. So we can just let it know, I want to create an infographic about the product. Give the benefits of the product. Okay. And then let's see what we can do something different. Okay, let's just see what happens if we generate this prompt. So this is pretty awesome. Like you can make literally graphics for your product without even having to edit yourself on Canva or any of these apps. You simply just do it on the AI store builder and it makes it for you. And this makes your brand look super branded. Look at these great photos. Shows the product, how it looks. You know, the packaging of the product looks absolutely awesome. So here's the infographic we just got. This actually looks insane. It is so good. You can see we have our logo here. Talks about the products, the benefits of the product. And then now we'll just simply save the image. So I'm just going to make a bunch of these, save them all, and then we'll get on to the next step. All right, so there you go. We made our infographics. We have all of these graphics that basically sell the product to the customer. It looks absolutely amazing. Okay, so we're going to create our bundle offer now. So what we're going to do is go to bundle deals, create bundle. All right, then you can pick which one you want to use. So I'm just going to go with the most basic one that looks best with our product, which is this color here. Then what you want to do, we can either do volume discount or we can do buy this, get this free. Let's just do volume discount, proceed. Obviously, we're going to be able to edit it. But as you can see, this is already a set template, which already does the bundle for you. So buy one, buy two, get 10% off, buy three, get 20% off. So we'll just make some adjustments here. We'll take away this recommended and make some changes here. So let's go into the settings here. And as you can see, we can turn on this corner radius, make it a little more rounded. Colors, the colors look great, I think. Look awesome. We can add a countdown timer if we want. So enable countdown timer. It looks pretty good. Alrighty. And then in the colors, we can change that countdown timer. There you go. Looks good. And then we won't do any progressive gifts. So let's remove that. Okay. Save, publish. Okay. And then one thing I want to do is remove that recommended feature right there. Let's do most popular. Okay, it looks awesome, awesome. So there you go. Just like that, we were able to create a bundle offer. So the store's completely done. Let's go check what it looks like on our actual website. So here's what it looks like. It looks great. You got the product images. Now we're just going to remove this and then add our bundle in here. So click this. Okay. And then let's put it above the buy button. There you go. Looks awesome. But as you can see, this looks absolutely insane. Like, this took me almost no time. I was able to do all this with AI. Like, look how great the product images look. So everything looks amazing. So I'll definitely recommend the AI Atlas Store Builder. If you want to build out your entire store, this is the best way to do it right now. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's easy. So hopefully you did enjoy that video, and that's exactly how you build an entire Shopify store step by step utilizing AI. If you want to use the AI Atlas Store Builder, there's going to be a link in the description. Go download Atlas, connect it to your store, and set it up exactly the same way I did it in this video. Hopefully you did enjoy that. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.